All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we're about to make an easy and delicious snack. I'm gonna show you guys how to make cheesy pepperoni pizza roll-ups. Man, they're quick, easy, and delicious. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. This is very easy, not many ingredients, but it's delicious. If you love pizza, definitely give this one a try. Back here we have our mozzarella cheese, pepperoni here, pizza sauce, Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, and right there we have our tortillas. These are flour tortillas, guys. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we set up our station. So we're gonna start preparing our cheesy pepperoni roll-ups. We're gonna start by adding a little piece of sauce here to the bottom, about a tablespoon, not much. And you can kind of spread it around just a little bit, around like that. We're gonna add some mozzarella here to the center. Now you can make this as cheesy or uncheesy, if that's a word, as you want. It's totally up to you. We're gonna come behind that with our pepperonis. Same with the pepperoni. You can make this as pepperoni-y as you like, or unpepperoni-y. It's totally up to you. We're gonna add some Italian seasoning here to the top, a little garlic powder, and we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese on top of that. And we're gonna get this baby rolled up, of course. You don't have to tuck that baby in, and you wanna roll it up as tight as you can. Just like that. As you can see, that's simple. We're gonna sit it over here, seam side down, and we're gonna continue with the rest of them, and we're gonna come back after we finish. All right, so now that we've rolled all our pizza rolls up, this step is optional. You could go ahead and put it in your preheated oven of 400 degrees. That's totally up to you at this point, but I like to add some additional cheese here on top like this, you know, because we got to make it more cheesy and pepperoni-y. I'm gonna come across that with more pepperoni. You don't have to pack the pepperonis on here, which I don't typically do. I kind of like space them out on each one of them. Just like that, I'm gonna come across that with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. More our Italian seasoning. And some garlic powder. And we're gonna stick this in a preheated oven of 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And I'm gonna do one thing real quick. I'm gonna spray the top of this with a little olive oil. All right, we're gonna get this in the oven and we're gonna come right back. And guys, this is what we have after 12 to 13 minutes in the oven. There's nothing else to do but to get this baby plated up and head into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy pepperoni pizza roll-ups. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. You know we gotta jump into quality control because these are groceries. All right, guys, so we're back in here, quality control, and you know when I got that pizza on the menu, I gotta bring my daughter Leia in here to help me do a taste test because you know she's unbiased when it comes to me cooking. You know what I'm saying? What do you think about this right here?
It looks so good.
It looks good. It look good?
Yeah. Man.
And guess what? Look at, she has to dress like me. Look at her with the I'm not a chef, I just cook a lot shirt. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and grab me one of them. Let me set that right there. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Hot. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick taste test because it is hot. When I tell you, cheesy E,
Pepperoni.
she already learning. Pepperoni. Oh man. So if you're looking for something quick, easy, that you just do right away just for a quick and delicious snack, this is it. Anything you want to say about this, baby? Because, well, look at you. She can't even stop eating it, man.
I can eat this all day.
We're gonna get out of here because our hands dripping with all that sauce and that goodness. And you know we're gonna start licking our fingers because we from the South. So until then, guys, remember, y'all know who this is. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef, or we not chefs.
We just cook a lot, and we are out.
And we are out. Peace.